Welcome back. Once again, I am welcoming you all to this beautiful online learning platform, Unacademy. Now we are happy to announce that Unacademy is going to providing online training for GATE and engineering service examinations. About myself, I G Venkata. I have 16 plus years of teaching experience. So far, I mentored more than 60,000 students for their GATE examination. At present, I am pursuing PhD from JNTU Kakinada, and my specialization is VLSI design. Now, just we check how to get the Unacademy learning app into our device. Just go to Play Store, type Unacademy in that, and you get the Unacademy learning app like this. Just by clicking on this install button, what you are observing getting here. By clicking this install button, you will get the Unacademy learning app into your device. Now, here your classes are taken care by India's top educators. Why we are saying our educators are top educators? See this, because of this only. Tiwari sir is the IIT topper. He has 7 years of teaching experience in GATE and engineering service, and he is the author of book GATE in 75 days. Next, Ankit Goyal sir. He obtained All India first rank twice in GATE electrical, and he was awarded President of India gold medal in IIT Indore. Next, Sanchit Jain sir. He has more experience, more than 8 years, and he is having a sound experience in teaching the students. Next, Jaspal Singh sir. He is the ex-IAS officer. He got All India 4th rank in IAS, and he is the ex-senior MEDIZ faculty. Because of these things, we are claiming that our educators are the top educators. It is a combination of toppers from IITs and IAS, and experienced faculty. Now, here are the few more top educators who are working under Unacademy. See, now there is a golden opportunity to students who are willing to move towards GATE and engineering service examinations taking serious. There is a scholarship test is going on, scholarship for plus subscribers. Now, top 3 winners in that scholarship will get the 100% scholarship. Okay, and first 100 winners from each branch will be given additional discounts to them. And duration is 60 minutes of duration. Date 21st March at 11 AM. And these are the branches: mechanical engineering, civil engineering, computer science, and IT department. And to unlock the test, just use my code VRAW10. By using my code VRAW10, you can unlock the test. Okay, now this is the India's biggest scholarship test, what we are going to be conducting here. Here it is a worth of 1.8 crore plus. Okay, so just before what I mentioned, it was on 21st March 2021 at 11 AM. Don't forget to use my code VRAW10 to unlock the test. Okay, now in this March itself, we are conducting the scholarship test for 1.8 crores plus. In this March itself, don't forget that. So 21st March today, don't waste your time. Please go and join and write the exam. It was at 11 AM. Okay, and don't forget to use my code VRAW10. Now here, India's largest competition, fortnightly competition for GATE here. Now assess your GATE preparation in 60 minutes. Within 60 minutes, you can assess your GATE preparation, how is going your preparation. Challenging and original GATE questions curated by the best educators. Original GATE questions, that means the models what we are expecting from the GATE, from the toppers. We are creating these questions. Okay, and take it live to compete with the best So online ranking also all India online ranking also provided to you while you are taking the test in online, and super fast and fun with all India live leaderboard, and identify and improve your weak areas through detailed video solutions. After completion of the test, a detailed video solution is provided to you for those questions. So by attending the classes, attending those videos, you can clarify the doubts what you have. That means where you are weak, you can become a strong in that regions. Okay, so don't waste your time. Now time is taking up. Your test is at 11 a.m. March 2021. These are the branches are eligible for this: mechanical engineering, civil engineering, computer science and IT departments. Now there is a engineering service 2021 test series is going on. It was curated by the best educators. Now all India ranking is provided if test is taken live, and it is designed as per the changing demand for engineering service examinations. And in this 10 questions we provide and 20 minutes of time you have to answer. And this is for mechanical engineering, electrical, civil, electronics and communication engineering, and general studies. General studies on 26th March, it is common to all departments. And for electronics 25th March, civil 24th and 31st March, and for electrical 30th March, and for mechanical 22nd and 29th March. So my dear students, it is a golden opportunity to you. Don't misuse it. Use it effectively, and after that get the solutions of those questions and identify your weak areas and become a strong in that areas. Now there is a full-length mock test also available for mechanical engineering, electrical, civil and ECE. Now this is at 21st and 28th March 10 a.m. 150 questions in that, 180 minutes of time. Okay, now all India live ranking is provided to you here also, and don't forget to use unlock code, my code to unlock VROW10. Now this is the golden opportunity to the civil engineering students who are going to writing the engineering service exam. So crack your engineering service exam with Jaspal Singh sir. Join us for free test series. Now these are the topics and these are the dates. On these dates, these test series are going to be writing, and with Jaspal Singh sir. So Jaspal Singh sir, you know about Jaspal Singh sir. Jaspal Singh sir is the ex-IAS officer. He got All India 4th rank. And don't forget to use my code for during unlock, that is VROW10. So next one is, there is a ultimate 10 SSC series is going on for mechanical engineering students. It is in the 10 questions, 20 minutes of time. These are the dates: 1st, 4th, 9th, 12th and 17th of March for mechanical. Now the timing is 10 a.m. See, you can attempt the test. Test can be attempted even after the live test session. Even after test live session is completed, after that also you can attempt the test. Okay. So the same thing for electrical also. 10 questions, 20 minutes of time. These are the dates for the electrical engineering students. Next, now there is a ultimate 10 SSC series for civil engineering students. It is on in this 10 questions or 20 minutes of time. So these are the dates for the civil engineering students, and the timing is 10 a.m. So you don't worry about test is completed. Even after live session also you can attempt the test. Okay, and these are prepared by the best educators. These questions are prepared by best educators, and it is designed as per the changing demand for SSC. Next, kickstart your GATE 2022 preparation. Now in this 10 questions we provide 20 minutes with 20 minutes of time. So for mechanical engineering students, electrical, computer science and information, civil engineering, ECE and chemical engineering. It is every Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday tests are going to be conducting at 10 a.m. Okay. And don't forget to use my code VRAW10 during unlock. Now we are happy to announce that recently we started two new batches, one for GATE 2022, another one is for GATE 2023. There is a Ascend batch for GATE 2023 Mechanical Engineering. It was started on 22nd February 2021. Now the top faculty or top educators who are working under this is Gil sir, Praveen Kulkarni sir, Tyagi sir, Devendra Singh Negi sir, Singh sir, Aditya Gupta sir. Here are the top educators who are working under this batch. Next, there is a Evolve batch. There is a Evolve batch for GATE 2022 Mechanical Engineering. Here are the top educators. The educators who are working under the previous batch, GATE 2023. The same members are working for this batch also. It was started on 22nd February 2021, and there is a mission DDR going on for mechanical students. It was started from 22nd February 2021. In this mission DDR, in this, our intention in this batch is just to every student has to get the best rank. With that intention we started this batch. Every student in this batch has to get a rank. With that intention we started this batch. Okay, now the top educators in this is Tiwari sir, Om Maheshwara sir, Menu Gupta ma'am and Aman Raj sir. Here are the top educators who are working under this batch. Okay. And we started this batch. Every student in this batch has to get a rank. That is our intention. And don't forget to use my code VRAW10 during subscription to get 10% discount. Now we move to a civil engineering department. There is a Spark batch going on for GATE 2022 for civil engineering students. This is for English batches only. It was started on 22nd February 2021. Next, there is a Ascend batch for GATE 2023 civil engineering. It was started on 8th February 2021. And there is a Evolve batch for GATE 2022 for civil engineering. It was started on 8th February 2021. Next, there is a Evolve batch going on for GATE 2022 for civil engineering for computer science and information technology students. It was started on 8th February 2021. And the top faculty in this one is Ravindra Babu sir, Sanchit Jain sir, Subbarao sir, Malesham sir, and Vishwadeep sir, finally Sweta Kumari ma'am. Here are the top educators who are working under this batch. And about Ravindra Babu sir, he is the top educator. He is the first faculty who started online training for GATE examinations. Okay, so please use so I'm requesting the students use the services of this top faculty and get benefited. Now there is a Ascend batch going on for GATE 2023 electrical engineering. It was started on 1st February 2021. Here are the top faculty who are working under this. There is a big team, large team for electrical because more subjects are there for electrical engineers. Because of that, this is a large team. Now, the same team is going to handling the GATE 2022 also as a Evolve batch for electrical engineers. GATE 2022, it was started on 1st February 2021. Next, we move to electronics and communication engineering. Sorry. I'm sorry. There is a ascend batch going on for electronics and communication engineering students for GATE 2023. It was on 1st February 2021. Okay, don't forget to use my code VIRAO10 during subscription to get 10% discount. Now, so now the same way there is a eval batch going on for GATE 2022 for electronics and communication engineering. Okay, eval batch going on for electronics and communication engineering students. Here are the top faculty who are working under this batch. The faculty who are worked on GATE 2022 or 2023, the same faculty are working here also. Reduce your volume. Last but not least, we move to chemical engineering. In chemical engineering, GATE 2022, there is a eval batch going on now. So it was started on 25th January 2021. Okay, and the most important thing here is outside it is throughout India, hardly 1 or 2 locations only GATE training for chemical engineering is going provided. So for the students, it is very difficult to move from their location to that point. So because of that, they started chemical engineering also with top educators in that discipline. Okay, so use the facilities what they are providing, get benefited. If any of your friends are in chemical engineering side, please don't forget to inform the same to their friends. Now just we glance what are the different engineering disciplines available in an academy. Electronics and communication engineering, chemical engineering, mechanical engineering, computer science and IT departments, instrumentation engineering, electrical engineering, civil engineering, production and industrial engineering. These are the different engineering disciplines available. Now there are two subscriptions basically. Plus plan is the basic plan, next one is iconic plan. We will take your iconic, if you join in iconic plan, we will take your preparation to the next level by providing a personal coach to you. Okay, now what are the benefits you get here? Here also you have same thing. India's best educators are handling your subjects. There are interactive live sessions are there, structured courses and PDFs, live tests are and quizzes are there, and same thing what you are getting here, here also you are getting the same thing, but the addition is here we will show the difference. Once you've written the test or quiz, our personal coach is going to analyze your test properly, and based on that analysis they will prepare a proper study planner to you and they prepare respective material also to you. By providing these two to a student, now if student by following these two can get success in their examinations. So my dear students, I am requesting you all, please utilize these facilities and get benefited. Now just we check the charges what they are charging for plus plan. Nominal charges for plus subscription 1 year it is 5,500, and 3 months 6 months this much, 1 year, 1.5 year and 2 years. Now if you observe one thing, as a faculty I recommend the students to take minimum of 1 year subscription. So for 1 year it is 30,250 rupees. By using my code during subscription, it became 27,225 rupees only. Now, see, for example, if you joined outside for taking a training, offline training for 1 year, in that case, you need to take a transport from your location to your home to, or your location to the training location, to and fro you have to do per day, minimum 2 hours plus transportation time, as well as throughout year. That means in throughout year your training is going on in public holidays as well as weekends. Okay, so to travel throughout year in these days, you need to spend minimum of 20,000 plus. 20,000 plus. Just by adding a little bit amount to this, you can get the training by staying at your home itself. And one more important thing here is you are going to be getting a more time. That means whatever the transportation time you are spending for traveling 2 hours, 2 hours per day, that time is going to be saving you. Per week you are going to saving nearly for 5 hours plus. So if you prepare that 5 hours, concentrate properly on 5 hours per your subject, nearly 5 to 10% of your subject you can clear. Complete your preparation after attending the classes. So my dear students, I am requesting you, please think once and take a right decision. That decision will change your life. And one more important thing is, at outside situation is not favorable to us. Okay, it is a very pandemic situation is going on outside. So don't forget to use my code VERA10 during subscription to get 10% discount. Next, iconic plan we move to. Now there are two subscriptions available, 12-month subscription and 24-month subscription. For 12-month subscription it is 50,250 rupees, and for 24,000 2-year subscription it is for 74,000. Okay, now but in 1 year it is 50,250. By using my code VERA10 during subscription, you get it by 45,225 rupees only. 45,225 rupees only. And this is the amount approximately what you have to pay offline training institute as a fee. And some of the organizations or institutions are collecting the amount 1.5 times of this amount for 1 year. Now here, by paying only this much amount, you are going to getting the classes of all India top educators classes you are getting, and live sessions are there. During preparation, you have any doubts, you can clarify those doubts during the online session, during the live interactive sessions. That facility is there. So my dear students, please think once of it and take a right decision by discussing with your friends, family members, and faculty who are having knowledge on GATE and engineering service examinations. Okay, take a right decision. That decision will change your lives, and you should be stay at happily throughout your life. Thank you. Thanks for spending your time with us. Now our today's topic is MOSFET. MOSFET. Before going to that, I'm going to classifying JFET. MOSFET is a one type of JFET. One type of FET, sorry. Now, so we have a FET, field effect transistor. So FET means field effect transistor. Field effect transistor. Okay, Chitty. So now we are going to classify this FET. FET is basically FET is classified into water bottle. FET is classified into different types. Broadly, we classify FET into two types, basically. JFET, junction field effect transistor, junction field effect transistor, and MOSFET, MOSFET, metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. Now we have two types of JFETs, N channel and P channel JFET. N channel and P channel. In MOSFETs we have two types again, enhancement MOSFET and depletion MOSFET. Enhancement MOSFET, enhancement MOSFET and depletion MOSFET. Now enhancement MOSFET is called, generally we called it as EMOS or EMOSFET. EMOS or EMOSFET, and depletion MOSFET is DMOS or DMOSFET. City. Now again these enhancement and depletion MOSFETs are classified into two more types as usual, similar to JFET, N channel and P channel. N channel EMOS and P channel EMOS. EMOS. N channel and P channel EMOS. Next, depletion MOSFET. Depletion MOSFETs are classified into two types. Now depletion is, first one is N channel, N channel EMOS, and it is P channel EMOS. Sorry, this is a DMOS, depletion MOSFET. N channel DMOSFET or DMOS and P channel DMOS, depletion MOSFET. This is the overall classification of JFET. Classification of FET. Okay, and default devices, N channel JFET is the default device here, and here default in these two, enhancement and depletion MOSFET, default device is the enhancement MOSFET, and in that two default is N channel device. So my dear students, those who are willing to move towards VLSI industry, they should have much sound knowledge on MOSFETs. Then only you can get the placement in VLSI industry. Okay, so now this class is related to industrial. Who are gain a knowledge on this, there is a chance of getting industry placements. Okay, now this is about introduction this. Now we are going to the today's session. We go and complete the construction of the MOSFET, how it is and why they are taking like that. And before going to that, I want to clear a few things. Basically, FET is a unipolar device. FET is a, first point is, FET is voltage controlled current device. That means input voltage is going to control the output current. So it means it is voltage controlled current device. voltage controlled current device. T. That means in this output current is output current is, sorry for disturbance, output current is sorry FET is, it is a voltage controlled current device voltage controlled current device okay. Voltage controlled current device sound తగ్గించు voltage controlled current device. So it means output current is controlled by input voltage. Output current is controlled by input voltage. Input voltage. Output current is controlled by input voltage. And next point is it is basically unipolar device. Unipolar device. Unipolar device. It means current is due to majority charge carriers. It means current is due to majority charge carriers. Majority charge carriers. Current is due to majority charge carriers. Okay, so there is no minority carrier involvement in the conduction, so temperature effect is less on this. Okay, and at the same time it is high immune to radiation. High immune to radiation. High immune to radiation. To radiation. So because of this high immune to radiation, we can use this one as an amplifier in satellites. Okay, so these are the some basic important top points you should be know about FET. Now we are going to enhancement MOSFET. Now I am going to first, so you classified MOSFET into two types broadly. So this is the basic classification of MOSFET what you done. E MOSFET, and D MOSFET. E MOSFET and D MOSFET, depletion MOSFET. See, how can we differentiate these two? Is E MOSFET is enhancement MOSFET. That means a MOSFET without channel. Here it is. This is MOSFET without channel. MOSFET without channel. Now here it is MOSFET with channel. With channel. Now in this, see, channel plays an important role in MOSFET. In any FET, channel plays an important role. If high channel is available, you get the high conduction. Low channel is available, you get the low conduction. By applying the input voltage, you are going to controlling the available channel for conduction. In E MOSFET, channel has to be inverted during operation, and after inverting the channel, if you want, you can enhance the channel. So here channel is inverted during operation and it can be enhanced. So channel is inverted. Please don't forget this. This is very important term. There is a much meaning in this. Channel is inverted during operation. During operation. And if required, it can be enhanced. It can be enhanced. Because of that only we call it as enhancement MOSFET. Okay, so next one is D MOSFET. Here channel is implanted at the time of manufacturing process. So channel is implanted at the time of manufacturing. See here the term inverted represents, there is a much meaning involved in that. During the operation of that we discuss in detail about what is the meaning of inverted. And here channel is implanted. Implanted is the technical term. It is which is used in fabrication. It is the fabrication terminology. There is a much meaning for implantation. What it is, everything we discuss in detailed later sections. Okay, so this is the basic difference between the E MOSFET and D MOSFET. In enhancement MOSFET, channel is, just a minute. So enhancement MOSFET is the MOSFET without channel, a MOSFET without channel, and a depletion MOSFET is the depletion MOSFET is a MOSFET with channel. Channel is implanted at the time of manufacturing. Okay, so that is the basic difference between E MOSFET and D MOSFET. Okay, in industry, default device what we are using is E MOSFET. Similar to the JFET, N channel and P channel, the same way MOSFET, this E MOSFET and D MOSFET are also available in two forms. available in two forms. They are N channel and P channel, and the two default type of MOSFET is EMOS and N channel EMOS. That two. Now I am going to the next. So now it is now I am going to N channel enhancement MOSFET. N channel enhancement MOSFET. N channel enhancement MOSFET. Okay, now default we call it simply EMOS. Default MOSFET is N channel. Okay, if it is not N channel, they will specify. If it is a P channel, they will specify that. Okay, now the basic, there are four types of four different types of terminals are there in this. First terminal is source, which is the source of carriers. Next, drain. Drain is collecting the carriers which are coming from source. Third one is a gate, which is going to control the flow of carriers from source to drain. Fourth one is substrate, or sometimes we call it as bulk also, substrate or bulk. Okay, now see, if you check this operation, during that most of always source and substrate or bulk are short circuited to solve the problem of body effect in MOSFET. There is a problem in MOSFET, that is a body effect. To solve that problem, source and substrate both are going to be short circuited. Now here I am going to, at the same time I am going to writing the operation of that. Actually what is going on in this, flow of carriers from source to drain is controlled by gate. Okay, now this is the best way of explaining the operation of MOSFET. Let us take, it is the source of water. Here is the source. Now here I am going to keeping the tap. This tap is going to control the flow of water from source. Now water is coming out. Now they are going to be draining here. They are going to be draining here. Okay, they are going to be draining here. Okay, now so this is the drain. Finally it is a drain, it is a source, it is a gate, it is a gate. Okay, now flow of carriers from source to drain is controlled by gate. So flow of carriers from source to drain is controlled by gate. This is the function of MOSFET. In this, one important thing is your tap, what you mentioned here, it doesn't provide single charge carrier to you, single water drop to you. it doesn't provide any water drop to you. That means there is no charge carrier coming from gate side. So once no carrier is coming from gate side, always gate current is 0. Therefore, always, gate current is 0, as well as source current is equals to drain current. This is the fix in MOSFET. Okay, now you may ask one thing, sir, last sessions we discussed already JFET. Then why are you switch over from JFET to MOSFET, and why are you giving high priority to MOSFET compared to JFET? Okay, so you will get the solution for that one also from this. Now first I am going to the construction of it. Construction. So in construction, so here it is see this, a lightly doped p-type semiconductor we take first. A lightly doped p-type semiconductor, semiconducting bar. Now at one end, it is doped heavily with p plus impurities, doped heavily with p plus impurities, Same way here also it is doped with p plus impurities, doped with. Now it is p plus impurity, or it is a n plus impurities, doped with n plus impurities. Lightly doped n-type semiconductor, sorry, p-type semiconductor, it is n plus impurity. In case of JFET, it is lightly doped n-type and it is heavily doped p-types, but here it is opposite. Now there is a, it is pn plus region and it is p region. There is a pn junction takes place between this. Now once the junction is there, at that junction, across the junction, we are expecting a depletion region. Now the depletion region is extended more towards lightly doped region, this region. So now the depletion region is like this. So this is the depletion region. This is the depletion region, and upon this I am going to placing a oxide layer, silicon dioxide default. Upon this we are placing a oxide layer, and upon this I am placing metal, or practically we take it as we use polysilicon. Okay, now here is a conducting lid, and here is another conducting lid, and this is the bulk or substrate. Bulk or substrate is this one. Backside total coated with aluminum coating backside, and here also I am placing another terminal. another terminal. So now this is the construction of this. So this is silicon dioxide, SiO2 oxide layer. This is a metal. So it acts as a gate, it acts as a bulk or substrate, and it is a source, it is a drain, it is gate. Okay, now drain. Okay, now just I'm going to copying this diagram for future reference. Yeah, now see this here, listen carefully, it is very important. Practically always source and bulk both are short circuited. Bulk and source are both are short circuited to solve a problem of body effect. And one more, whatever the FET you can take, it is also a back-to-back connection of two junctions, back-to-back connection of two PN junctions. See this, if you observe this, here is a N plus and P, here is one PN junction like this, it is a source N plus, that means N type material, and the next followed by P, it is lightly doped P type semiconductor, and again lightly doped P type semiconductor, again it is N plus, is a drain. So it is nothing but a back-to-back connection of two PN junctions, back-to-back connection of two PN junctions. Okay, and one more important thing is, you observed one thing here, first layer is a metal layer, see this, this is metal layer, this is oxide layer, and it is the semiconductor region. So first one is metal layer, metal, second one is oxide layer, third one is below the oxide there is a semiconductor, lightly doped P type semiconductor. So here you observed one thing or not? So this is the meaning of MOS. Some of the students are going to confusing about what is the next first layer, what is the next layer, upon that what we have. So they are going to confusing about such type of placement of layers. Okay, the series. Now the name itself shows what is first, what is next, what is last. So first one is a metal, M, oxide layer, silicon dioxide, O. Next semiconductor, yes. So MOS device or MOS transistor. By using this MOS, you can use this MOS as a resistor, you can use it as a capacitor, you can design amplifier by using this. Okay, so what not, everything whatever you want for designing of everything, you can design this. If you are taking any IC, that IC is going to be completely within the IC. The total system is designed by using only MOS transistors. Okay, if you want a variable capacitor, you can keep design that one by using a MOS transistor. Everything, what not, everything we can design by using a MOS transistor. That is the importance of the MOS transistor in industry. Because of that only, there is a much demand for this course VLSI. Now there are different software tools which are using in this. First, an important tool is Cadence tool. Okay, we in later sessions I will take an important session on Cadence tool, how to design semi-custom design and how to go for full custom design by using Cadence. We discuss about that one also. Okay, in detailed explanation we go for that in detailed explanation. Okay, and this region between these two is called channel. That region is called channel. It is channel. So length of the channel is L we will take. Okay, so this is the construction of MOSFET. N channel MOSFET. This is the length of the channel L. Here we are taking length of the channel is L, and after that there is a width of the channel. Now that width of the channel is represented by the value W. See this, how we are getting that width. Just I am taking the three-dimensional representation of this device. This is the three-dimensional view representation. Okay, now the way how you are placing here things, the same way they are moving. Okay, now it is the designing. So it is the gate terminal. It is the length of the channel L. So the same way here. This is the length of the channel L. So length of the channel L, and this direction, this is the width of the channel. This is width of the channel. Width is W, this one. Width of the channel is this one. From here to here, this is the width of the channel. Width of the channel W. This is width of the channel W. Okay, length and width. So everything, these two are the design parameters. At present, by using ongoing technology at outside, length of the channel of the transistor they are taking as 7 nanometer. 7 nanometer length of the channel transistors at present we are using in ICs. Now much research work is going on to reduce that length of the channel. Okay, so this is about the construction of your MOSFET. Next session we discuss about the operation of this. Thank you. Thanks for spending your valuable time with us. Once again, I am requesting you all, please don't forget to use my code VIRA10 during subscription and hit the bell icon. Subscribe us. Join our Telegram group to get the latest updates on our upcoming videos. And don't forget to give your your valuable comments on YouTube. Thank you very much. And once again, I am welcoming you all to this beautiful online learning platform, Unacademy.